Welcome to Bike Ventures. We're here at Land's End today, start of our LEJOG journey. And as you can see, it's a bit of a grim morning. It's about 7:45. It's warm, but there's a bit of a breeze, but luckily it's behind us. So yeah, we're just about to start. There's Lisa, look, just sorting out the last few bits on the bike. It's a bit damp at the minute, so I'm only going to have the internal microphone on initially, but it is forecast to get better. So 63 miles today on our LEJOG day one. We're doing it over 14 cycling days, taking it steady. There's no point busting ourselves to pieces. So yeah, hope you enjoy. I'm Rob. There was Lisa, I don't know where she's gone. There she is. This is Bike Ventures. Let's get cracking.
Myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. This really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
That was our campsite last night. I highly recommend it. Land's End camping and glamping. Excellent facilities. Lovely hot showers. In less than a mile from Land's End. Yeah, lovely hot showers unless you leave and you put it in the wrong box. So she gives someone else a free 5 minutes to shower in. So yes, highly recommend it. Right, let's crack on. There's the first and last inn in England. Very close to the campsite as well. So we're about 63 miles today with about 4,000 feet of climbing. We're finishing about 5 miles past Padstow, so we need to go on the ferry, and I'm staying at a campsite near Rock On. Well, there's St Michael's Mount, much better than its French counterpart. Everyone shows you a video of St Michael's Mount, so I thought I'd add the little nugget of information that if you go to its French counterpart, it'll cost you €25 to park, you'll be crammed in like sardines, and everything is just out to take money off you. I won't bother, and the car park's about a 2-mile walk, so I really won't bother. We went last year, the worst place I've ever been in France. So don't go. It is typical of a tourist trap. Yeah, look at this. The weather's much clearer now. It's still cloudy, but it is forecast to get brighter. We're heading over that way somewhere, so it is forecast to get a lot brighter today. But yeah, it's lovely. So let's put you back on the bike and we'll get going.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.
Right, so we just stopped for a quick snack and noticed this Gold Coast mine, Spray Park Pumping Engine House. This is just sat in the middle of a housing estate. Cool. Oh, so that's where the motor, the engine used to be. Yeah, cool. Anyone who's watched the channel before knows I love stuff like this. This is cool. As you can see, we're a bit wet. We're about 26 miles in. We're just in Camborne, and it's not but rain so far, has it? Even though it's not forecast to. But the forecast says it's going to get better, so we'll see, won't we? Right, let's crack on. We're on a lovely little bridleway. I know it doesn't look like a bridleway, but it is. That's great loads coming out of Camborne. We just keep passing loads of old mines. And the buildings are still there. I'm guessing they're the engine houses. But yeah, cool, so cool. Lovely. This little stretch around Camborne's been really nice. Still raining though, still wet, but it's still warm. Yeah, right, we're just Red Roof, so we're 30 miles in for the day, so we're doing pretty good. It's only 11 o'clock, so we've done half of our climbs. The next one is number 15 of 29, so that takes us over halfway, and it's probably the steepest one. There's no point showing them, camera don't really show the severity, does it? But it looks like the worst one yet, although we've had a couple of stonkers. Anyway, we're going to go and crack on. Get going. Fucking hell. Speak for yourself, it's bloody brutal. Oh. Oh. Oh, that's tough. We left. No. Oh, Jesus. That was tough. Oh. Oh. Right, we just stopped and had a bite of lunch. The world's most picturesque lunch spot. Only because we've been looking for a bench for the past 40 minutes. Went through a tiny little town, there was literally a few houses. So I just said to Lisa, I'm starving. We need to just stop and I need to eat. Luckily we picked up some pasta pots. There's the A30. Just there, look. So just sat at the side of the A30 having us lunch, but looking at the map there was nothing coming up, so at least we've had that. Hopefully we can get a brew in a bit, but we've got about 22 miles left for the day actually, and it's 20 to 1. mean, we did set off early, didn't we?
Yeah.
But we're way ahead today, so it's good. We're happy. Let's crack on. As you can hear, I'm pushing up this one. Oh, my legs gave me nothing there at the bottom. I think, well, Steve was about 14.5%. Beautifully framed though, isn't it? Where does it go to? Well, that's Padstow just over there. We've just got the ferry across to the other side, so we've got about 3 miles to our campsite for the night. But look at that! How beautiful! Absolutely glorious. Yeah, cracker, and the sun's come out now. It's lovely and warm. So let's get up this last climb to the campsite.
She's going to have to cut some of this out.
Oh well.
See, we could have got away with one sharing one.
What?
Because I'm getting full.
Oh, right, so that's day one done. Just had some fish and chips and a beer. 65 miles we've done today with 4,400 feet of climbing. Tomorrow's 57 miles with 4,600. It's a little bit tougher tomorrow. We should get to Oakhampton tomorrow. But yeah, we're on this gorgeous campsite, Higher Penmain Farm, at a place called Splatt, which is in Rock, just outside of Padstow. It's a lovely site, look. Look at that. 24 quid I think, but there's not much else around here for that price. But cracking showers, lovely warm welcome. So yeah, day one done. We're quite pleased with that, love, aren't we?
We are.
It's quite a good day. We felt alright. Got drenched for the first half. Rained from 7 until just gone 11 today. But then eventually the sun came out and it turned out lovely. So yeah, we'll see you in the morning. We're going to go and chill out and have a couple more beers. I shall see you tomorrow.